this time I'll have him collar tie me. And then I personally like to over tie here because eventually we're going to do like a post to the same sweep single. So then here, I'll come over tie and I like to grab his head and put it to his bicep. So my head's overneath. And then I like it inside or outside tie, but then, so for the sake of the show, I'll go inside tie and he collars up with me. I like to pull the same way. And then now I like to take my left arm that has the inside tie and post at the elbow. And whenever I'm posting, you see how that frees up my sweep hand? So here, I'll pull it again, let go, and I'm posting at his elbow, and dropping my level at the same time. This is the whole move. I post, drop. So here, I'll post, drop, same sweep single. And then we finish like we just did. So here, he collars, I go over tie, grab his ear, pull it in, inside tie. So your partner has to be, your partner has to over tie. So like how he's doing, hold, then I'm letting go, posting, and dropping. So again, I'll post, drop, level change, sweep single. Anybody see again? Yeah. So he collar ties, I grab over his ear, pull it to me, inside tie, pull, and then I'm letting go and post him here. So I'll post into my single. Good. 3, 2, 1.